If you like the idea of your kids skiing for free and even learning to ski for free, Hochzeiger in Austria offers all that and more. This compact, fun and snowshore resort sits in the Pitztal Valley in Tyrol and is very family friendly. Children under 10 ski for free when they're with a paying parent. And on selected dates there are free small group ski lessons for children aged 3, 4 or 5 if you've booked to stay at least 3 nights in the area. There are also afternoon activities available for a fee, which is a lovely extra if you're travelling with younger kids. All of this needs to be pre-booked and the spaces are limited. Our boys are a bit older and fairly confident skiers, so they made the most of the 40 kilometres of mocked runs. The majority of the piste are red, which suited our boys as intermediates. But there are blues for beginners too, plus a few short black sections that feed back into red slopes. We really enjoyed the fun areas as well. Most of the slopes sit above 2,000 metres. Combined with snowmaking, that makes the resort pretty snowshore.
I'm hungry.
What have we just done since lunch?
One run.
If skiing makes you hungry too, you'll be relieved to hear that the food is relatively well priced and the lasagna was delicious. Of course we sampled the drinks, but that did lead to some dad dancing. This was a very last minute ski trip for us, so we ended up staying a 45-minute drive away in Turenz, but it was a lovely apartment. The closest airport to Hochzeiger is Innsbruck, which is roughly an hour's drive. Our multi-day ski pass also included a day skiing at Austria's highest glacier, Pitztal, and we had the most incredible time, including a fresh tracks first for our eldest. That's our next video, so make sure you're subscribed, and in the meantime you can check out our other ski resort videos.